What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to install an iDRIVE. Let's go. So before we start, obviously, you want to open up the box and see what is in it. We got a sticker, got instructions, it's always important. We got the actual controller here. I'm sure you've seen this. It's all over Instagram right now. It's crazy. So we're gonna get this installed for sure. See how it performs. Uh-oh, losing stickers and instructions. And then we got some more wires. So it looks like a pretty easy plug and play, not too difficult. So I got everything set out in my seat. It looks like the instructions say if you can't get to the plug on your pedal, which you can, it's kind of awkward, then you can go ahead and take your pedal off to make plugging it up a little bit easier. The plug is right on top of the pedal. Let's see if it's kind of hard to see, but if you slide your hand up your pedal itself all the way up, you'll feel the plug. There's a little clip on it. You just have to push and pull up, and that'll unplug that, and then you can plug in your iDRIVE. Very, very simple. Not difficult at all. You shouldn't have to take your pedal off for this. Once everything's plugged back up, you're going to be left with this right here, which will plug directly into the iDRIVE. The end of the cable is right here. So all you have to do is just plug these two wires into each other. Once you're plugged up, you have to hold this mode down for 3 seconds and it'll show up 88 or 00. So those are the two options, 00 or 88. And 00 is for manual, 88 is for automatic, and I have an automatic, so it is set for 88, and it now should be good to go. Real quick, the two dotted lines is factory mode. The E means economy, and you have 0 through 9 depending on how fast you want your throttle response. U is ultimate mode, that's kind of enhanced throttle response. And then AC is automatic control. So obviously if you trying to get some get up and go, put it in the U. If you're trying to save some gas, go ahead and put it in the E. And it really depends on how you want yours to be set up. But let's go ahead and take this thing for a little test drive. So I'm on the U9 setting right now, about to go through a stop sign. Immediate response. I mean, ridiculous. If you're looking to get an iDRIVE right now, do it. That's all I have to say. Wow, it woke my Jeep up immediately. The throttle response was there right when I wanted to get on the gas. It got up and went. Very, very impressed, very happy with this iDRIVE. The easiest install I've done on this Jeep so far. It was literally just take a plug out, plug something in, plug something in, plug something in, done. That was it. Literally, that's all you have to do. I'll tuck away the wires and make it look nice and pretty in a minute, but I wanted to make this real quick because I am super, super impressed with this product. If you're looking at getting an iDRIVE, I would definitely suggest getting one. It'll wake up your Jeep. It'll save that fuel mileage if that's what you're looking at doing. It's worth the money. I'm always kind of skeptical with electronics and stuff like that as far as if it's going to really be worth all that much money. Yes it is. I've been seeing this thing all over Instagram. I'm sure anyone watching this video has seen tons of people been talking about this iDRIVE, and I was very, very skeptical of it. But wow. This thing chirps 35s, which is crazy. And it's just, wow, impressed. So yeah, I got the install done. It's all complete. Like I said, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up if that's something that you're interested in doing. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Share this video with your friends if they're interested in purchasing an iDRIVE. I would definitely recommend it. I'm sure some other people that have it would recommend it. I'm very impressed with the littlest electronic making such a giant difference in this Jeep. Absolutely amazing. I just completed 36 hours of URI. Sorry if this camera's a little shaky. My arms are dead. I mean dead. Go over and check out the trailer that JK Gear and Gadgets just put out. You'll see me puking. Yeah, my body was done. It's still done, but I want to get this done. I have a lot of editing to do. I know he has a lot of editing to do, so we're going to try to get some great videos, some great content of 36 hours URI. It was a fun competition. If you haven't heard of it, look it up. It's all over Instagram right now. Just type in 36 hours URI. You'll find some pictures and kind of see what's up. You can check out that. You can check out American Adventurist. They also have some stuff up there. They're big in this event, and then as well as Tread Lightly, they had a lot of say in this event. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna go in and try to cool off, let these muscles relax with this shaky, terrible video, so I do apologize for that. But like I said, give the video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and be on the lookout for some great videos coming y'all's way.